Hello guys, I'm Rajnish Sarwan. Today I'm going to show you how to add background music in website for make more user interactive. So this is a simple trick. Now this thing possible with two method. So here I am going to show you that both are method how to use it. This is the first one with an AMD message and another one with an audio method. Okay, so let's see first how it will work. So here you can see this our website is running with an background music. Here you can see in the tab you can see music is playing now. So let's see how it is work and what are the attributes they had in that element. So let's first take that comment out and make it save. Here you can see I have erase hidden attribute for now and make run. For save and make run. So here you can see these is the controls and this is the video which are playing now. Okay, so this is controller. I'm make just Control Z, and there is auto start, which means that a sound will be auto play when page will load complete. Okay, this is source. This file is in mp3 file type, and please guys make sure use that this mp3 file only, because this file is supported in all browser, most of all kind of browser. If you use another file, they may not be supporting some browser. So please so make sure use that mp3 file type. This will help. This will not show you any kind of error while run on page. So this height and width is just extrovert, so I'm just removed it. And this type, this will show how our file will be. So our file will be audio and mpeg file type. Okay, so this is simple. This query is for an add background with an embed, which is including it head tag only. Okay, and so yeah, this is the whole it is. So let's make file and run. This is a file and run. You can see this thing is properly run. You can also add this on your page and make more interactive. I'm just commenting now and make this audio tag comment out, and in this audio tag I have just erase hidden attribute for now and make save and run how it will look on browser without hide. So make run. Here you can see in this audio tag you have volume control as well. So this is the whole control which come in with an audio tag, audio element. This is a source element. In this source element you have to add file type and file destination. I will make hidden as it is, so this controller will not show on page, and make background effect. Here I am adding volume. You can also make your volume increase and decrease with this volume attribute. Here I have now 50 of my volume, but in control you can see I have make 10. At that time controller will be on 100. So in controller you have you will not find any kind of changes. This will change in direct from your main system. okay, I'm remove this volume from now for now and make hidden of this audio controller, right? Because this is the sound of this sound will be play on background of a web page. So this is the very pretty thing if you use in your browser. So this will make more user interactive. User will interact with your website within more time if they had hear and heard any sound from your site. So they will look more, they will give more time on your page. So this is the one trick to attract users for your site. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel.